My best friend. Hi. Guess what? I discovered today. So, yeah, we're gonna gossip. You need to listen, alright? Just. Okay. Just that. Look what I did to my bathroom. Anyway, listen. Oh, yeah. I had a long day today. I'm glad I stayed home. I was gonna go do my laundry, but I promised myself I'm not going out there to do laundry in the public laundry anymore, because they be fucking my shit up. So I'm waiting to get a good. At Costco, they have a good deal. The washing and dryers under $400. So anyway, let's stay focused. Focused. So, you know Emily, they used to work at Walmart? Yeah, she went to, I saw like two girls. They went to school with my daughter, Lini. And they were like good friends with J Dude. J Dude's not here anymore. Good. Anyhow, Emily, I remember Emily. She worked like 2 years after high school at Walmart. And then she was always there. She's always working there. That girl had a baby right after high school, or 2 years after high school and shit. Why did she tell me today she only had one baby? And that bitch, listen to this. That bitch is with them KK motherfuckers set me up at Walmart. And she dated Daylala, right? Trying to fuck her up and shit.